ang poging negociante.
My management style is hands-on. I work 24/7 and I'm happy.
Very much so. With the new administration, you're always a little cautious.
A lapitin nang. Manga mamimila. Perwang tunay. Na pogi a masipit. At maraming benta. Ang dalawang poging negociante sa sipag. Chaga at Tolino. Makakasama ang Pinaka Pogia Pinaka Hari ng Negosyo Henry C. Ninong TV proudly presents with the collaboration of LCP Films, ang pagsasama sama ng manga kilalang negociante sa Pilipinas. With Nico Lacorte as Jaime Zobel de Ayala and Denver Ninong Castro as your Henry C. with Jacob Pasilla as Manny Wheeler, Trio Partido, studying Henry C., Manny Wheeler, and Jaime Zobel de Ayala's malls and land properties simulcast on Ninong TV and LCP Films in Facebook and YouTube February 12, 2023 ang tatlong poging negociante. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Presented by Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment with a special collaboration and partnership of LCP Films for more exciting vlogs, the collab of fun entertainment and action of learning the business and life.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again, and welcome to my Ninong TV. You are watching and subscriber to my YouTube and to my Facebook, and that is your educational blog shows and entertainment for this special video blog that we will have for another action of learning Mr. Henry C's businesses and projects that he served for all of the nation. We will have here is the collaboration of the three business person that we know here in the Philippines. So talagang ito'y kilalang kilala nating lahat, at for the first time makakasama ni King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. This is Trio Partido. We will have here is the three businessman. At talagang poging-pogi ang tatlong to. Nako, nakarinig lang ng pogi yan si Marites, si Sisters, diba? Nako, lumalaki ng mga tenga, mga bata, nag-aabang na. Nakarinig lang ng mga pogi. Well, ang mga pogi dito na pag-aaralan natin ay si Mr. Henry C. Yan, number 1. Mr. Manny Villar and Jaime Zobel de Ayala. Gulat kayo, no? Akala nyo si Alden o kaya si Kelvin Miranda. No. They are the three businesses that we will discover and we will learn their land and properties. So this is Trio Partido, studying Henry C., Manny Villar, Jaime Zobel de Ayala's malls and land properties. So we will discover their lands and their businesses, as they are a trio, diba? Trio means three, and then Partido is a corporation, it's a group. So for this moment, it's another action of learning the businesses of Mr. Henry C. together with his business partner and other relation that it can be perfect for educational and entertainment. And of course, Henry C., we will have is the SMIC, that we will discover the land and the mall properties that he has for the SMIC. What's all about SMIC? It's SM Investment Corporation. So, for those who is asking and searching for the meaning of this, it's the SMIC. is a leading Philippine company that is invested in market-leading business in retail, banking, and property. Okay, so that is all about SMIC. To be roll your ninong as Mr. Henry C. Ang isa ding poging negosyante. To be roll by your ninong. Ako, ang mga nakarinig, huwag yun ang seryosohin yung nasabi ko. It's only part of my script. Ay naman, no? And then, syempre, dito tayo sa learning natin sa SMIC. This is my line, no? And we will have later the two special guests na gaganap bilang si Manny Villar at si Isabel de Ayala. But first of all, the King of Philippine Business will lead the way for SMIC in learning the land properties and mall that he created under by the SM Investments Corporation. Check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to welcome you all to the brand new SM Aura. This is where life and style is fashionably put together. I'd like to introduce you our distinguished guests with us. Chairman of the SM Holdings, Mr. Henry C. Sr. with Mrs. Felicidad C. Bishop of Pasig, His Excellency Bishop Milo Hubert Vergara. President of SM Prime Holdings, Mr. Hans T.C. President of Super Value Inc. and Super Shopping 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to SM Prime Holdings for yet another exciting milestone in retail industry, the launch of SM Aura Premier. Now to wish prosperity and abundance, and of course a lot of luck for SM Aura, we'd like to throw the coins. We'll now
Okay, thank you for watching on the SMIC project. You just discovered the created of the SMIC, just like the mall, the condo, and the schools under by Henry C. of SMIC. Now we will discover here the special guest that we will have, Nicola Corte as Mr. Jaime Sobel de Ayala, to discover his businesses, contribution, and activity that he given to all of the Filipino nation. So Nicola Corte as Mr. Ayala is my YouTuber friend and a producer and the author of the LCP films in the YouTube, making vlogs of entertainment, shows, movie. So you will check it out. Nicola Corte as Mr. Jaime Sobel de Ayala.
Hey guys, I'm Nico, and we are here talking about this businessman that we name Jaime Sobel de Ayala. Yung mga businesses and companies niya ay Ayala Business Club, Avida, next we have Globe, then we have BPI Family, we have BPI Make That Happen. Ang dami niyang businesses, grabe oh. Pag binabasa ko, grabe, parang napaka-inspiring, and it's just amazing guys. Ang dami niyang businesses like Honda, he has Amaya, he has a lot of these companies. So the tips for a successful business is, for example, you have to have good values and good traits. Secondly, to have a great business is to have a great mindset. Because if you don't know what to do, if you don't have a journey or a path in your own mind, how are you going to make something great happen in your life? How are you going to set a future for yourself? So those are the tips po to make a great, strong foundation for your own business. And I am just here sitting down, listening to this story and reading stories about Jaime Ayala. And grabe, pag inisip mo, ang dami niya mga companies na minamanage, and I'm sure he did something to make that happen. And of course, it started with great values, it started with a great mindset, but the most important is to have faith. Is to have faith in everything you do. And when you are feeling that struggle, always remember where you started. Always remember why you started. So ayan po yung mga tips para po maging successful sa ating mga business. And may it be the YouTube business, may it be the coffee project business, may it be the car business. So whatever aspect you are dealing with, always think about these amazing tips that can help you manage your own self. Thank you.
Okay, you've just witnessed Nicola Corte as Mr. Zobel de Ayala. So, talagang kuwang-kuha niya talaga. May pagka-kepak pa to si Nico. Okay, that's good to see, ha? And for the next episode, we will have is Manny Villar to be rolled as Jacob Pasha. So, he's my friend and a close friend in the school, and through the years we also do some of the recent video blog. Before pandemic, we created a show that is a business relation also, and for this one he will show you the businesses, the property, and the activity of the Vistaland company or the Vistaland that Mr. Villar have. So you will check it out.
Manny Villar is a Filipino businessman and a former politician. His businesses is All TV, Camella Homes, Lumina Homes, Vista Land, and Vista Malls. He also has Lysandra Homes, Star Mall, All Finds, and Finds. Business tips, prayers, and hard work. And that's all thanks.
Okay, you've just discovered the slide of Jacob Pasha and he presented Manny Villar. Wow, talaga nga. Ang daming businesses rin pala ni Villar, no? Akala ko Camellia lang at Lumina Homes ang businesses niya. And I saw talagang parang mas lalong pumogi. Pumogi yung businesses ni Manny Villar, okay? Kayo talaga mga marites o mga chikadora.
It's been a hard day's night. I've been working like a dog.
Okay, so that was a good slide created by Jacob Pasha. Thank you for your show. You truly show that you're Mr. Manny Villar. Okay? And now, it's time for the collaboration of the three pogi businesses that you will discover. Ito yung mas pogi pa kaysa sa amin. Pangalawa lang kami dito, oy. Okay. We will have is the collaboration of Henry C., Manny Villar, and Ayala. So, ito talaga yung poging-pogi pagdating sa pagbibusiness tong tatlong to. To discover their services, their passion, their hard work, and their project that they are serving for all of the nation. So, for our educators, remind ko lang, sa ating mga marites, yung mga sisters natin dyan, yung mga declamations natin dyan, ha? So, I just want to remind, focus yourself in the lesson. Wag yung mga mukha namin, wag yung mukha ng friends ko. Mamaya, iba yung masulat nyo sa exam o sa assignment, malagay nyo ninong, o malagay nyo pogi. Ay, nako po. O mamaya, masiro pa kayo sa exam, sisihin nyo pa itong show ko. Alright. So, you just focus yourself together with your notebook, your pen, no? O kaya screenshot, you may video this one for your educational purposes, diba? Yung mga nagre-research dyan ng mga groupmate, mga assignment. So, this is a perfect video blog. And then, you can buy this for only 150 pesos. So, PM nyo lang ako kung paano nyo mabibili. Okay. It's time for Henry C. Manny Villar and Jaime Zobel de Ayala's tandem in businesses. Ang mga pogi pagdating sa pagnenegosyo. The real service is the real pogi for three of them.
Well, my management style is hands-on. I work 24/7 and I'm happy working 24/7. It's I was explaining earlier in an interview that kasi if you're an entrepreneur, you enjoy it. You're happy doing what you're doing. So I am enjoying. Na hindi daw kami talagang mahirap. Mali naman 'yon. Talagang mahirap kami. Talagang nagtitinda ako ng hipon sa palengke. At squatter kami noong araw.
Sanay na raw si Manny sa mga patutsada sa kanya tungkol sa politika. Paano kayo magalit?
Hindi ako nagagalit eh.
Oh!
Hindi ako masyado nagagalit. Bihirang-bihira ako magalit.
So ano yung mga...
Ang tingin ko kasi yung paggalit, parang waste of time eh. Parang...
Just falling under the ambit of sustainability. As with many other partners and like-minded peers, we view sustainability with a broader lens, covering climate change, but also inclusivity and equality. In quite a few areas, the pandemic has worsened the fissures of inequality that were already present in our society. Squarely much, actually, because things are generally...
Do you think about it?
Oh, yes, of course. I mean, the whole concept of stewardship and building on a tradition that's been around for many years is something that's obviously in mind. It doesn't weigh heavily, though, because the company, I like to think, has good bones, is well structured, and so what it is it's
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to welcome you all to the brand new SM Aura. This is where life and style is fashionably put together. I'd like to introduce to you our distinguished guests with us, Chairman of the SM Holdings, Mr. Henry C. Sr., with Mrs. Felicidad C., Bishop of Pasig, His Excellency Bishop Milo Hubert Vergara,
Okay, thank you for watching for that awesome slide that you've discovered from our trio business person, Mr. Ayala, Mr. Villar, and Mr. C. And for that, we will discover the CSR. So, syempre, hindi naman to puro papogi points lang sa negosyo. Hindi lang puro na lang gawa ng business, kaya pumupogi. So, syempre, kailangan din namin maging mabuti. Diba? Showing you here the CSR of SM, Ayala, and Vista. So, makikita rin natin dito kung ano yung CSR ni Mr. Villar and Mr. Ayala. And we truly know Mr. Villar is also a CSR, diba? Since he's a politician, he's helping the poor people, binibigyan niya ng bahay, food, education, diba? Because Mr. Manny Villar is also came in a poor family. Kaya nung yumaman siya, he also wanted to enrich everybody of us. Diba? Lalong-lalo na pagkasama niya si Kuya Will or Willie Revillame. Talagang makikita nyo yung CSR nilang dalawa. Diba? So, you will discover here is the CSR of SM, Ayala. Ayan, lalo na si Ayala. And the Vista. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is the end of our video blog with the title of Trio Partido Studying Henry C. Manny Villar and Jaime Sobel de Ayala's Malls and Land Properties. Remind ko lang pala sa inyo, sa tagal-tagal ko nang nabubuhay sa globe na ito, ngayon ko lang nalaman, at ngayon lang din natin nalaman because of this video blog, na ang may-ari ng globe, hindi yung globe na tinitira natin, kundi yung globe SIM card ay si Mr. Jaime Sobel de Ayala pala. O, diba? Hindi natin to nalalaman. Siya rin palang may-ari nun. And of course, yung BPI, no? Yung mga bangko natin yan, mga ipon natin, kanya rin pala yun. Siya rin pala ang nag-aalaga ng ating mga bank and ating mga properties for the banking in the BPI. And of course, yung Honda cars, wow! I remember, nagkaroon kami dati ng Honda motor, and I don't know, siya rin pala ang may-ari nun. So, what an incredible learning that we discover here in this lesson of this video blog. Yung mga hindi natin alam is madidiscover natin because of this lesson, because of this vlogging. Diba? Talagang pogi din talaga ang negosyo pinoproduce ni Mr. Ayala, no? And at ngayon ko lang nalaman na akala ko kasi yung globe ay pagmamay-ari ko ng aking MOA because in the SIM card I saw the globe SIM card, so naka-model dun yung globe ng MOA. So akala ko ang globe ang may-ari ng, or ako ang may-ari, or the Henry C. rather ang may-ari ng globe na yan. Iba pala si Mr. Jaime Sobel de Ayala pala. For through the years, we discovered that. No? Talagang ngayon ko lang nalaman for through the years na nagtuturo sa business ang aking school hindi nababanggit yung about Globe owner. And because of this program, you just discover in Ninong TV. O, diba? Okay, thank you for watching. And this is your Ninong once again. God bless all of you. And thank you for our special guests, Jacob Pasha and Nicola Corte, na aking mga YouTuber friends and my producer. Thank you for helping Ninong TV to provide you the good quality of video blog and entertainment with educational. And once again, this is the Trio Partido with your Ninong, and see you for another video blog experience that you will discover on my Ninong TV. You just subscribe and like and comment and share, and you can download and you can buy this video blog for only 150 pesos. So PM me on FB at Denver Ninong, and I will give you option on how you can avail this. And 80 pesos for the screen record from start up to the end slide if you wanted to, para makatipid kayo. So this is Trio Partido, studying Henry C. Manny Villar and Jaime Sobel de Ayala's malls and land properties. Thank you for watching.